Hello, my name is Ben, and I am currently participating in We the Medicine Choose Love Retreat. And I just want to fill you guys in on a little bit of my experience. We are on, I believe, day 6 or 7. You lose kind of the concept of time when you're out here, but it's been a really magical experience. From the workshops to the ceremonies to the community that's built around here and the volunteers that are currently working, it's a truly magical thing. So much healing is going on for all of us, and the energy is just pouring through all of us, and it's a beautiful thing. I'm here trying to work on some childhood traumas, and it has been just leaps and bounds, headed towards recovery. So I'm super blessed to have gotten involved with this community and this program and this retreat. It's run beautifully. The location's awesome. I'm definitely going to be back soon. I can't recommend it high enough to anyone else. Thank you.